Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest gadgets and security solutions. Today, we're looking at one of the most effective and affordable home security options you can add to your setup. The BNT Dummy Fake Security Camera with a red LED light, the best light bulb security camera black. This clever piece of equipment offers an amazing combination of realism, ease of installation, and cost-effectiveness. Whether you're securing your home, office, or business, this fake camera is sure to give the impression of a fully functioning security system. At first glance, the BNT Dummy Fake Security Camera is almost indistinguishable from the real deal. It looks just like a professional surveillance camera, but without the high price tag or complicated installation. The camera features a built-in photoelectric sensor that makes the red LED light come on automatically when the sun sets. This makes the camera look like it's actively recording, fooling potential intruders into thinking they're being watched 24/7. What's even more impressive is the fact that this camera is designed for both indoor and outdoor use. The weatherproof design ensures that the camera can withstand various environmental conditions, meaning you can install it outside without worrying about damage. All you need to get started are 2Ah batteries, which are not included in the package, and you're ready to go. The installation process is a breeze with no wires required. The package includes screws to attach the camera to the desired surface, and you can easily adjust the angle to get the perfect view. This camera's realistic design will help create the illusion of a complete security system, making it an excellent deterrent to anyone thinking of breaking in. It's recommended that you combine this dummy camera with real security cameras for even greater protection. By using a mix of real and fake cameras, you can maximize security without breaking the bank. For those of you wondering about battery life, this product is designed to be efficient. Just make sure to use high-quality AA batteries to prevent leaks and damage to the battery compartment. Also, remember that this camera is intended to simulate the appearance of an active security system, and the red light is there to make it seem even more authentic, particularly at night. If you're looking to upgrade your security setup or add an additional layer of protection to your home or business, the BNT Dummy Fake Security Camera is a fantastic choice. It's affordable, easy to install, and highly effective at deterring potential intruders. Thanks for watching this review on Product Critique, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful product reviews like this one.